Yay! Let's go! Ito na naman si Axel. Magsusukat na naman siya ng ito. Marine boy.
But this is from the submarine.
Marine boy ito. Marine sukatin ni Axel.
But this
Magbabarko daw si Axel.
not this from the submarine.
Marine.
And this is the boat.
Marine boy to ha, marine. Ayan, ito yung pants niya. Magmarino si Axel, marine.
Yeah.
Magsiman ka. Tulad ni Tito.
Hey.
Sakay barko.
No. This is from the submarine.
Oo. Yan yung pants.
Submarine.
Ito yung damit.
This is the captain.
Captain ikaw.
No, this is from the submarine captain.
May sizes to ha. Small, medium,
What?
large XL. Medium tong suit ni Axel kasi wala nang small.
In this color.
Yeah?
In this color.
White.
Only white.
White lang to. White lang marine eh.
Like no color.
Marine costume. Pang ano to ha?
The submarine.
Marine to. Pandagat. Marino si Axel.
Hey, hindi ka pa
Seaman.
sa dagat.
Hindi ko na. Ayan ha.
Hindi ka punta sa dagat sa water.
Sa water.
Yeah.
May sizes is medium na lang pala to. Medium, large, XL.
Papandiawang this is punta sa dagat.
Ito yung sombrero.
Papa, si Andrew suot this.
Suot din si Andrew.
Yeah, it's pawit-pawit si Andrew.
Ito yung belt.
Papa, si Andrew pawit-pawit. Because somebody hanap yung police.
Hanap-hanap.
Yeah, yung somebody just hanap police.
Oo.
That's why sila kuha the police na. And give it to the buyer.
Pugi oh.
Yep.
Tingin din.
Yep.
Ito baba. Ayan nating marine.
Yes, sir.
Marine kids costume. Ayan yung likod. Harap. Ang pugi ng marine, no? Marine. Kapugi naman ni marine. Marine costume.
Marine costume.
Kasi mo to.
Marine costume.
Pugi, oh. Paano magpa-beautiful eyes ang marine, oh? Pugi. Ayan ang ating Marine kids costume. Tayo, para makita.
Eyes. Papa pale.
Ayan siya.
Papa. Papa.
Ano yun, Marine? Pugi ng marino natin, no? Pakita likod. Ayan yung likod. Yung likod ng marine costume, oh. Harap. Ang pugi.
Papa. Yung German timer.
Ayan, ating marine kids costume. Ayan, thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.